Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, March 13th, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martinos, DM number 9. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe. It actually helps the channel out quite a bit. And if you're interested in more detailed weather information and also some thoughts about the rest of spring and how the changes in the transport of moisture is starting to take place, definitely check out Premium Consulting membership, only $15 a month. Now we have a lunar. We have a lunar eclipse that is getting ready to unfold for tonight. Are we going to be able to see it? Well, some locations are and some locations will not. So let's dive into the data and take a look at what we have. So for today, we have an easterly wind that is in place with high pressure to the north and a stationary front to the south, and that's leading to a mix of sun and clouds throughout the region. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 30s in your higher elevations, upper 30s to lower 40s in your suburbs, lower to mid 40s in your urban areas and along the immediate coast. And take a look at our surface map and radar. Not much in the way of precipitation. You can see the high pressure system to our north, and that's leading to an easterly wind component. And that easterly wind component is transporting an air mass from the Canadian Maritimes right into our neck of the woods, a typical feature that we see in the spring. Meanwhile, we have our stationary front to the south, and to the south of that, we have a somewhat tropical air mass, a tropical origin air mass from the Gulf of Mexico, America, what have you. And that's leading to the development of showers and a few convective showers here around Georgia and Alabama and Mississippi. When we take a look at the latest visible satellite picture, you can see the clouds starting to increase. And that's going to be an issue if you're looking to watch the lunar eclipse tonight, which roughly starting around 11 p.m. and really peaking around 2 a.m. These low clouds are going to be hanging around, and unfortunately, they're going to really be focused in along the coast. So you'll see throughout the day a mix of sun and clouds, and those clouds thickening up, especially in the lower and mid levels. And by the time we get towards around the point where we see our lunar eclipse, you can see along the coast, not the best conditions. Plenty of cloud cover on the coastal plain. However, if you are in northwestern New Jersey, the Poconos and Catskills, northwestern Connecticut, and east central Pennsylvania, you got a pretty good shot of seeing this event take place. But unfortunately, if you're on the immediate coastal plain, it doesn't look good at all. Zooming out a bit, infrared satellite picture, there is one short wave that is marching its way through, and this is going to produce showers and thunderstorms over the southeast, but miss us to the south. This feature, way back here, this will be developing and marching its way into the plains tomorrow, igniting the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms from Texas all the way up into the central Great Lakes, and some of those thunderstorms will be severe. Then on Saturday, that severe threat pushes into the Tennessee River Valley and the southeast and portions of the Ohio River Valley. Now on Sunday, that cold front reaches us, but not until the late evening hours when we're past our peak potential for instability. So I'm not seeing severe thunderstorms for Sunday evening, but you might hear a little bit of rumble of thunder as this cold front moves through in the overnight hours from Sunday evening, I would say after 8 p.m., and continuing on through Monday morning. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Mix of sun and clouds and easterly wind. High temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 50s everywhere else. For tonight, again, plenty of cloud cover, but dry conditions. Look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, scattered cloud cover remains in place. Look for high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s on Long Island, upper 50s to lower 60s everywhere else. On Saturday, increasing cloud cover, possibly an isolated shower, but the keyword there is isolated. Most locations will just have a mix of sun and clouds. Winds are going to increase from the southeast, veering to the south around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in your suburbs, lower to mid 40s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s on Long Island, and on the immediate coast, lower to mid 60s everywhere else. So overall, not too bad at all for Saturday. On Sunday, this is where the clouds begin to increase, and you'll have some showers starting to develop relatively isolated through the morning and early afternoon hours. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the interior and suburbs, mid to upper 50s in your urban areas. High temperatures ahead of the rainfall will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s on the immediate coast, lower to mid 60s everywhere else. There is a chance we get enough mixing that we could push into the upper 60s around southwestern New Jersey and the Philadelphia metro. So we'll keep an eye on that and update that for tomorrow. Then on Sunday evening, the rainfall pushes in. And with this cold front moving towards the region, you'll see showers increase. And by the time we get towards midnight, that cold front will move through again, away from the peak potential for instability. So I'm not looking for any severe thunderstorms. You could have some embedded thunderstorms, especially down towards southern New Jersey, where we get some heavy rainfall, a little bit of flash of lightning, and some rumbles of thunder. But for the most part, on Sunday, it's a breezy day with winds from the south around 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting over 20 miles per hour at times. The rainfall moves through in the evening hours. So if you have any plans for Sunday, not too bad at all until you get towards the evening, and then that's where we get our showers and thunderstorms. On Monday morning, the rainfall exits, so the early morning rush hour may be impacted a bit. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 30s to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. By the afternoon, skies clear from west to east. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast, and mid to upper 50s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, high pressures in place, sky cloud cover. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s. High temperatures will range from the upper 40s to mid 50s on Long Island, upper 50s to lower 60s along the immediate coast and over the interior, lower to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, high pressure again in control with tranquil conditions, a nice southwesterly wind, low temperatures in the lower to mid 40s, high temperatures ranging from the mid 50s to lower 60s on Long Island, and mid to upper 60s everywhere else. We could even see a few 70s mixed in there as well, especially around southwestern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. On Thursday, clouds increase as a cold front approaches from the west, with showers invading by the evening hours. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. High temperatures will range from the upper 50s to mid 60s on Long Island, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and in the Delaware River Valley, mid to upper 60s over the interior. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.